Mobile digital video recorders, such as the Mongoose system, can be critical for fleet safety, liability protection, and business operational efficiency. So how does it work? Well, once you've got your main Mongoose MDVR system, you need to select how many cameras you want to use, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and the design of the camera. You also need to work out how many meters of cabling you need to run from the cameras all the way to plug into the main unit. You'll also be plugging in your GPS antenna so you can also record your location. One of the most critical aspects to the system is the recording device, which is, we often recommend an SSD. You can also get a hard drive. We recommend a 1 or 2 terabyte, but that's critical because all the camera footage and all the GPS data is recorded to this device. One of the other things that you can look to add, and we often recommend it, is you can connect your vehicle's monitor directly to the MDVR, so you can, one, see the cameras live. The second thing you can do is, via the remote control, you can go in to the settings of this unit and modify it, customize it to make it the best setup possible for your system.